Hey folks, we're live at 123, battling for the, I'm going to copy this list on my way up, the AFA 80 Luke Stormtrooper. He's a nice one. I got 150 big old spots here that I'm going to copy. I'm going to quick go up just to refresh our memories of what we're playing for in case you guys had a memory lapse there. There it is. It's nice. I'm going to paste the list in here. There they are, all 1 through 100. And 50. That's a big list, guys. Got a lot of names there. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. Lucky 7. We're good to go, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Jason, round 1. Gary, round 2. Steve, round 3. Scott, round 4. Gary, round 5. Jason Bozeman, round 6, which brings us to the ever-important final round. Good luck, everybody. And our winner is Bill Patton, in at number 16. Congrats, Bill. Nice hit. Here's the verification code and official results. ZISBGU. Bill Patton, number 16. This is the Luke Stormtrooper champ. I'm done at 124. You guys are so silly. There it is. Again, here's our winner. Bill in at number 16. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks a bunch.